guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm so sorry it's been such a long time since I've done any vlogging. I've been super busy working. Before I get started on what I'm going to do, we just both wanted to say thank you so much for getting us to the 100 mark on subscribers. We're at what, 111?
111 now.
Thank you guys so much, considering we've only had the channel going since May of last year, so it's absolutely awesome that we've got 111 subscribers. So thank you again so much. Thank you. Right, so today it's gonna be in two parts. So this is gonna be the first part, and then tomorrow's gonna be the second part. I'm gonna be doing sorry, something a bit different. I'm gonna be doing a red Thai chicken curry. So basically, I've got the jar sauce from local supermarket, and I've just cut up my chicken, which is over there. I've skinned it and cut it up in some gnarly bits as well, because I like having the gnarly bits. What I thought I would do, obviously it doesn't say to do it on the jar, but I like to do my own adaptations. I'm going to put the jar sauce in the chicken and let the chicken marinate in the sauces, so it's going to get all the spices and the aromas and everything else that's actually in the sauce, and then cook it off tomorrow. So this is just going to be a quick one really. Basically just get the jar sauce. Spoon, please. Smells really nice. Doesn't smell hot at all. Thank you. Doesn't smell hot at all. So it smells really nice. I mean, like I said, I've never had red Thai curry before, and I've always wanted to
Something new to try as well.
Yeah, and I've always wanted to have it. So I thought, oh, why not? Another jar for you, Darren, or a bit too big?
No, that's going to be perfect to do a candle in.
Yeah, you've got the lid as well, so.
Yeah.
So this jar has got, what's it got in there? Let's have a look. Coconut milk, lemongrass, and some other stuff as well. So what I'm going to do is just give the chicken a stir. I'm using my smaller box because obviously I thought, oh, I'm not going to need such a big box. So like I said, this is just a really quick vlog. Obviously you don't have to do any of this, but I just wanted to do it because I'm just like to go, you know, and do what it doesn't say on the tin. Give that a good marinade. Rinse that jar out. I think this is a Martian thing about getting all the goodness out of jars. Right, put that all in. Just so you've got just a little bit of extra sauce as well. And there you have it, guys. So that is going to be marinating for 24 hours, and then we will cook it out tomorrow. So I'll just put a lid on that, and then I will stick that in the fridge later. So there you have it, guys. Thank you again for getting us to 100 subscribers. We really do appreciate it. And 111, sorry. Thank you again. Yes. And we will be cooking the chicken out tomorrow. We'll bring you back this time tomorrow and you can see us cooking it.
Right, guys, we'll see you then.
See you guys later.
YouTube will. That'll be in 3,
2 and 1. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is part 2 to what we done yesterday, which was marinating the chicken in the red Thai curry sauce in the jar. So now I'm going to cook it out. So I have got in my bowl half an onion which I've chopped up, some ginger and some garlic as well, which you can get from any supermarket. I've got 1 tomato as well. I've not chopped it up because obviously I don't know if I'm going to need it or not. So I thought I'd rather not chop it up and just see how we get on. So first things first, turn my cooker on and on low, and I've got some oil in my pan as well. And it's just your normal vegetable oil. Straight in with your onions and your ginger and garlic. Whack it up a bit. I will uncover my chicken. My chicken's been out just to get to room temperature as well. So it's literally just marinating in the jar sauce. I've kind of gone against as to what it's telling you to do, really. And like I said, I'm not going to put chillies either because obviously I don't know how hot the sauce is. So I'd rather cook it out, get my chief taster to test it and taste it. Let me know whether it needs any chilli and then I'll put the chillies in.
So I'm chief taster again then.
You are chief taster. Enough of all that chat. So I can smell the ginger and the garlic straight away, can you?
Yes, yeah.
So I love the smell of. Right, so straight in with my chicken.
And that was just literally left overnight.
It was, yeah. It was left overnight in the bottom of the fridge. So that's a tray of chicken thighs, which I've taken the skins off because obviously I don't like eating the skins. So I took that off, and the jar sauce straight in there as well. Obviously you don't have to do this. I just like to do my own thing, really. Quite honest with you. I never do what the jar tells me, do I?
You do it in your way, how you think.
I just like to adapt it to how I want it to be, really. I'm just going to rinse this out. Waste not, want not.
Exactly.
100% Russian there. All that goodness. Okay, so I'm literally just going to let this cook on low. Give that a stir. I'm not going to add salt just yet because obviously I don't know if I'm going to need it for a start, because obviously these jar sauces do have seasoning in them already, so
yeah, we just wait till it's practically ready to cook and
yeah, and go from there. I'm not going to, well, do you want peas in it?
no.
No? Okay. So literally just let it cook on low and leave it be. So that was literally our marinated chicken in the Thai red curry sauce, half an onion which I chopped up, some ginger and garlic, and that's about it. So what I'm going to do is we're going to bring you back in a little while when it's halfway through cooking, and then we'll go from there.
Right, we'll see you guys then.
See you guys later.
Bye for now.
Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a couple of hours. The chicken is all nicely cooked. And chief taste.
There we go.
Chief.
Yeah, and it's very nice. I well, I like that. So
We had to put a bit of chilli in there because it wasn't hot enough for both of us.
no,
So
it needed a bit more kick.
yeah, so I put some chillies in there. But yeah, let's serve up. It's a little bit on the watery side, but it doesn't matter. It's the first time that we're both having this, so
I'm looking forward to it.
see if Mr. Coops likes it. 3.
Yeah, go for it.
It smells very coconutty, and you can smell the lemongrass.
It smells very nice.
Very nice. Oh, always say to you when we're in the shops, I always get confused with which one's hot, the red one or the green one. I never know. Is that right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Switch through. Gnarly bits of
You
meat.
can say gnarly bits of chicken. If you want to know what the gnarly bits of chicken are, guys, this is little bits of chicken that hasn't got bone on it, because Davina don't like the bones, do you?
No.
So that's the little small pieces without the bones to save a hassle.
Gnarly. All the gnarly bits. I thought I'd cut more, but I guess I didn't. There you go, guys. There you have it. Oops. That is my version of a red Thai chicken curry. I really do hope you enjoy it. Thank you again to all of our subscribers.
We've gone up since we first recorded this yesterday.
Oh, how many are we up now?
We're up to 113 now.
Wow, thank you so much, guys.
So thank you very much, guys, for our new subscribers. Much appreciated.
Definitely. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment below, and we'll see you guys later.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys soon.
See you guys later.
Bye for now.
Bye.